Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my previous / current skincare routine, and I'm also going to be unboxing the new Fenty Skin Care products. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have no makeup on. My face is like completely bare, exposed, raw, whatever you want to call it. So let's say I've been out all day with makeup on and I need to wipe my makeup off. Of course, I would use some makeup remover wipes and wipe my face off. And then I would probably use my cleansing toner, which is this simple micellar cleansing water. And I just use it on like some face rounds and just use it to like remove anything that it left that the makeup wipes didn't get off. And then I would go ahead and wash my face with some Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 peppermint pure castor soap, and this is really amazing. Like, I love everything about it. It leaves your face feeling like cool and minty, and I actually use this on my whole body as well. So it's like, it really is 18-in-1. I only use it for my face and body, but yeah, it's really good. And I'll wash my face with that. I will also use my facial brush, whatever you want to call it, just because it does seem to help with like removing the dirt and everything. So yeah, I don't know the exact like benefits of using it, but yeah. And then after I finish washing my face, I would tone with some aloe vera gel. I got this one from Target, but you can use an actual plant, or you can get some like already made into gel. But I would use this as like a after wash toner. I don't know what you would call that, but it just helps my face. Like, sometimes my face gets really dry, so it's kind of like moisturizing, and like just in case I have any active acne, it like relaxes it a little bit and cools it down. Aloe vera is also really good for like sunburn and things like that. So yeah, it just like calms irritated skin. And then I would use my Alpha Arbutin 2% plus AH. I don't know the exact scientifics behind it, but it's by The Ordinary. I haven't seen any real results on me yet, but I've watched a lot of videos and a lot of people I know use it, so I've been using them. And then my second one is the Niacinamide 10% and the Plus Zinc 1%. And I also use this. I just do 2 drops of each separately, but 2 drops of each, and just rub it in my face. And if you go on the Ordinary website, it'll have charts like to show you when to use each one of their products and what you can use together and what you shouldn't. So yeah. And then in the morning, I would spray on some rose water by Mario Badescu. But if it's nighttime, then I use the lavender one. And also use these with my makeup. Mostly, you can see this one's lower, so I mostly use this one with my makeup, and this one just like for like before I go to bed. And yeah, and then I moisturize with this coconut rose hydrating facial oil, and I got it from Marshall's. Okay, so I kind of sped through that. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. So this is what the products came in. Of course, I was super pressed when I got it, so I already opened it, as you can see. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It just has the, regular Fenty Beauty thing that says skin. And then, as you can see, I have 3 different things, which is really, when I saw it and opened the box, I like screamed, because I only ordered the cleanser and the toner. So when I opened it and I saw all 3, I was like, oh my gosh, Rihanna, I love it. Because I didn't really want to, I think the set was like 70 something. I didn't really want to pay for the set, because like first I'm just trying it out, even though I really want to kind of know compatible with my skin or not. So I didn't want to get all three and then not even use it. But I'm so glad that she sent all three, so I can try it out for you guys. But yeah, so let's take it out of the box. So first, I'm gonna go in the order I believe you're supposed to use them in. First is the Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. It says hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. And then it looks like this. It's really simple and pretty. This is my favorite color, by the way, one of my favorite colors. So it's really pretty. And then we have the Fat Water Horrifying Toner Serum. Instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. So I'm pretty sure from the one little video I watched, this is like a rose water spray, kind of like Mario Badescu, but it's also like a toner. So I guess it's like a rose water toner, I don't know. It seems kind of big, just from looking at it. And this packaging is also really pretty, just like the aesthetic of it, like the purple top and the orange. And then lastly is the Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen Hydro Visor. Every single day, no excuses, apply before makeup, the ultimate canvas. And yeah, really grateful that Rihanna sent this because I ordered those two and not this. So yeah, this is the one I got for free. So let's open them up. So packaging wise, the box was like a basic UPS box. The inside was really pretty. These are really pretty. This box is really pretty. So packaging, I give a 9. Just because the UPS box is like kind of, I don't know, I feel like I expected a little more from it. Okay, so let's open the cleanser. Just has a strip, I guess, so you know it was secure closed. Have some technical difficulties. I might need some instructions. I think you square it out of the top. Yeah, it comes out of the top. It looks kind of like pink. Smells good. Really soft scent. But it smells good. And it's light, which is good. I don't know if you can see. But it's like, it's sticky and stuff, but it's really lightweight. So next, I'm gonna open the Fat Water. So I have my face round, and now I'm just gonna put some on there to see how it is. So it is really thick how it looks, and then it just looks like this. As you can see, it's not like runny. Well, it's kind of runny, but it's like really thick. Yeah, it's like a really thick toner, like oil, like a oil toner. It reminds me of aloe vera. I wonder if that's aloe vera. Yeah, really thick. It smells good too. It has like a skincare smell, but it smells better than most products. Next, let's open this. So this says, it has words in it, and it says, love your skin, respect the planet, refill me, sold separately. Rihanna is such a queen. Look at this. So pretty. Can't believe she gave me this for free. Like, who else would do this? Kylie would never. But then it's just the refill, and it goes right in there. Look, like, this was a really good idea. And it's like cute. Like, she's saving the planet while being cute. Imagine. So yeah. It's the Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. 50 ml. So let's put some. Get some pumps on. And I love how it's not like, because you know how some facial things are like, you put like a little, like a size like that, and you rub it in and it doesn't like even cover ground, like it doesn't even cover your whole face. Like you can see, I rubbed this in some already and it's still like plenty on my hand. Like, I like that. And this is lightweight too, which is really good for people with like oily, heavy skin. And it smells good. I'm really in love with this stuff. Like, I can't wait to try it. This concludes the video. I'm so happy with these products. Can't wait to try them out and like switch to this routine. I really want to see like how it works and everything. So let me know if you guys want an update on that. I'll probably post it on Instagram, or I could make another video. But yeah, just let me know.